How to solve Instagram direct messages not loading on Android or iPhone. First, it's easy, just open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And after that, if you have an Android, go to settings, apps, and apps again. Type here Instagram and click on it. Click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if that also doesn't fix it, now just uninstall your Instagram and install again this one for Android and iOS. Just uninstall and install it again, and then restart your phone and try again. And I hope that can fix your problem. If that also doesn't fix it, just clean some space, and that's it. It's easy.